Good morning, everyone who attended the Classic Chevy reunion in Pigeon Forge this weekend. I decided to sit it out with the weather forecast, and I had to make a decision. I said, well, I can go up there and chance it, or I can just stay home and work on my car and get this thing about ready. So that's what I want to talk about. Last couple days, this is Saturday morning now, last couple days I've been working on the 59 Chevrolet Impala, and things are getting very close. You can see I got the doors back off the car. We'll talk about that in just a second. But I've got this side here all blocked with 320. It's ready for 600. Of course, the roof and the top has already been painted. This has been cut with 1000 grit to cure. Should be good and cured by the time the buffer hits this. But I decided I've got to get these doors jambs painted, and I need to get all the valences and little, as my friend Gary used to say, chinkaderas done. So here we are. Still got a 320 this and 320 the back sides of the doors. These will need to lay here for another day or so they'll be good and hard to handle and put back on the car. I'm also trying a new clear. This is Tammy Miller's new Revolt company clear, which reminds me I still need to do a video explaining the different paints that I've used and still use, and one that I will never use again because of what happened, not with the material but with the person who owned the company. Just big corporate trying to screw someone over. But this is the new Revolt clear over SPI. Still love SPI's black over their base. I actually, on the first batch yesterday, mixed a little too much reducer, and I'm like, crap. Well, I'll just roll with it. It's my car. I'll just roll with it. I was glad I did. This stuff laid out and flowed very nice. So I mixed the second batch that way too. So put 3 coats on most of this stuff. I actually only ended up putting 2 to 3. Some places on these doors got 3, but they look so good. I just did not want to take a chance of getting it to run. That's another thing I noticed is I socked this stuff on and I did not get any runs. I don't know if that's a prelude that this clear, the way it's designed or made, is just not gonna have properties. It's gonna flow but not run. I don't know. But this is the first time I've ever sprayed door jambs or little small parts that's really curved and not had any runs. So I'm real happy with the way these turned out. Of course, we body filled and did multiple hours worth of work on getting these door jambs slick. So the next step, again, I just wanted to do this video to kind of show you where we're at. The car is probably 16 hours away from paint. We've got probably 6 or 8 hours more of blocking to do. 320, 600 on the whole car. Got to put the doors back on and then mask it. Masking it takes forever. Luckily, I don't have to worry about taping all this up. This here is just going to get covered up. So all I have to do is the door jambs and the hood area. I don't have to do the trunk jam. Still gutted on the inside. Again, the dash was painted. It's got all new wiring. It's running and driving under its own power. We're a little over a year into this project now. So that's what happens. You can't work on your own car every day. So that being said, keep back updated if you want to see the finished product on this Impala. I'm really excited. It's getting close. All my trim is getting close to being finished at the polisher. All 70 pieces of it. I believe that's what it was. So anyway, restoration inquiries will be in the video description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.